ROI is a very widely used term in investment world. It is expressed in percentage form. It is one of the important factors while deciding whether to go ahead or not with an investment decision. Let's have a deeper look into this with some practical examples with MyFinHub.
Have you ever wondered how to measure the success of your investments? The answer lies in a handy little tool known as return on investment, or ROI for short. It's like a financial GPS that guides you in the world of investments, showing you the profitability or loss of your ventures in percentage terms. With ROI, you can accurately track your financial journey, whether you're scaling the heights of profit or navigating the valleys of loss. So, how do we calculate ROI? Stay tuned. Calculating ROI isn't rocket science. You just need two things: the cost of the investment and the gain from the investment. Now let's break it down step by step. First, take the gain from your investment. This is the money you've earned from the investment. Then, subtract the original cost of the investment. This gives you the net gain or loss on your investment. For example, if you invested $100 and earned $150, your net gain would be $50. Next, divide this net gain by the original cost of the investment. Using our example, $50 divided by $100 equals 0.5. Finally, to get the ROI percentage, multiply this result by 100. So 0.5 times 100 equals 50%. There you have it, a 50% return on investment. It's as simple as that. Now that we know how to calculate ROI, why is it important? ROI isn't just a fancy finance term. It's a compass guiding your investment decisions. Think of it as a measuring stick for success, helping you see how well your investments are performing. It can also help you compare different investment opportunities. For instance, if you're torn between investing in stocks or real estate, comparing the ROI can offer some clarity. Setting realistic expectations is another crucial aspect of investing. ROI helps you understand what returns are typical or achievable, keeping your feet firmly planted in reality. It's also an excellent tool for tracking progress. You can monitor your investments over time, watching as your ROI grows, shrinks, or stays the same. Speaking of which, let's talk about interpreting ROI. A positive ROI indicates your investment is profitable. A negative ROI means you're losing money. And a zero ROI? Well, that's a sign you're breaking even. Remember, ROI is just one tool in your investment toolbox. It's essential to consider other factors such as risk, reward, diversification, and time horizon. So, we've learned how to calculate ROI and why it matters. But remember, it's not just about the numbers. It's about understanding the relationship between risk and reward, considering the time horizon, and the importance of diversification. It's about setting realistic expectations and continuously tracking progress. It's about making informed decisions. So, as we wrap up, keep these considerations in mind. Next time you're pondering over an investment decision, remember the ROI. It could be the key to unlocking your financial success.
Quite an important but easy peasy to understand. Please feel free to research more and find out types of ROI for various situations. Let's learn and prosper together with MyFinHub. Cheers!